Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in today's tutorial I will show you how to get your photos from this, noisy like this, to this. As you can see, denoise is applied and it looks pretty nice, and I will show you how to do it in seconds. So first thing, pick this photo where the noise is present, and as you can see there is a lot of it everywhere. Then bring up your controls and you have to go over here and slide down until you find noise reduction, and you have to click on this denoise, reduce noise with AI. As you can see, this is pretty good, so click on denoise, and now you have to wait while it loads and enhance your data. Here you can pick the denoise amount. I would recommend you to pick 70, but you can always change it to lower to make the change a little bit more natural, but I would recommend go 70. I think it's the best option out there. Then click on enhance. And now you have to wait while it enhances. It is spinning right here, as you can see, so I will cut it for you and show you how it looks. And now, as you can see, this photo has been generated, and look at the difference. It's pretty significant. So this is how we do it. This is how you denoise your photos in Lightroom by AI. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.